Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing well. I'm Rosie again. Welcome to Pedo and Rosie Stories. I want you to raise your voice. Your voice is your voice. My voice is my voice. Let us talk freely about HIV, self-stigma, HIV, external stigma, without any fear of rejection, stigmatized, and discrimination. Let us share our experience with our people in the community where we live, our friends, our neighbors, and our children. It's us who knows better than anybody who have lived with HIV. I am who I am. I have lived with HIV for more than 30 years. So there is a lot to learn from me, from my life, my stories, good times and bad times, challenges, happiness, achievements, and failures. Visit Pedo and Rosie Stories. Subscribe there. There is a lot to listen and to hear. The channel, all the videos are in Swahili language, my native language. So please use Google Translate for your own language so you can understand what I mean. Thank you so much for visiting Pedo and Rosie Stories. I love you. Bye. See you there.